TTIC South history. Taiwan Tuskegee International Council South is the second regional council of TTIC, founded by three respective organizers, namely Brother Richard Murillo Vitero in his term as a chairman of TTIC, Sis Roxanne Joy Aurelia Daniel, and Brother Carlo Victor Cedos Collar on March 10, 2024 at Pinoy Treats Street 88, Resto Bar, first floor number 67, Deschen Road, Nancy District in Kaohsiung City, Taiwan, ROC. Bradrick Jason Austria Day of Gregoria de Jesus Chapter, Brad Gino Renato Geron of PUP Lopez Chapter, Brad Froilan Enorme Baloy of Kabkaben Community Chapter, and Brad Kevin Francis Alcantara Cueto of Gulod Itaas Triskelion Chapter are the pioneering batch of TTIC South, and for their timeless effort, dedication, and devotion to the fraternity will always be remembered. Way back year 2018, when Brother Carlo Victor Cedos Collar wrote the new house source of TTIC and was approved by the body on March 10, 2019. He is the current chairman on that time. When he designed the structure and birth of TTIC North, TTIC Central, and TTIC South, so that our dear brothers and sisters in far distance will be able to participate to all of the projects, anniversaries, programs, and events, partnership in their respective regional council. Promoting TTIC legacy is our advocacy to show the whole world that we have an international standard of leadership and the best tradition that we can be proud of.
Patnubay sa buhay, ipagtanggol kung pangalay bibigyan siya ng karangalan at ng kalingang di magmamaliw.
Ang aking mahal na kapatiran, ang taong kamafiyang siyang patnubay sa buhay, ipagtanggol kung pangalay bibigyan siya ng karangalan at ng kalingang di magmamaliw.
Ang aking mahal na kapatiran, ang tao gamapiyang siyang patnubay sa buhay, ipagtanggol kung pangalay bibigyan siya ng karangalan at ng kalingang di magmamaliw.
by the virtue of power vested upon me as a former chairman of TTIC, an advisor of TTIC, a director of finance of TGPSI, and a TGPSI core leader, I, Carlo Victor Cedo Esculiar, has given the authority by our TGPSI Director General and TGP National Council Advisor, Brother Hiroshi Ben Kawada, and with the affiliation to TGP National Council through the leadership of our Premier, Brother Christopher Mendoza, I hereby announce today, March 10, 2024, in Nancy District, Kaohsiung City, the recognition of Taiwan Triskelion International Council South. May God bless TTIC South.